Okay, so this time, we will be learning another form of a number sequence. Aside from arithmetic sequence, we have this geometric sequence. Now, the same with arithmetic sequence, no? This geometric sequence has also its own form of definition, and gi-consider po siya nga naa siya'y procedures or naa siya'y rules or policies nganong matawag nato nga ang isa ka sequence geometric siya. Now, from its definition, it is being defined that this geometric sequence is a sequence in which each term is obtained by multiplying the preceding term by a fixed number. So, kung sa arithmetic sequence naatay gi-add nga fixed number sa first term nato to obtain the next term, no, fixed, and we call this fixed number as common difference. Now, in geometric sequence, naatay dili ta mag-add, rather multiply, no? Mag-multiply ta sa atong preceding term or the first term, first term, kining first term multiplyan nato ni siya ng fixed number, no? Kining fixed number, no, this is said to be kung sa arithmetic sequence common difference, sa geometric sequence tawagon nato siya og common ratio. Okay? Common ratio ang tawag sa kaning fixed number nga atong i-multiply sa preceding term to obtain the next terms, no? Okay. So, let's try to give an example. Okay, if we have A subscript N, no? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Okay, so now, considering this number sequence, can we say that this is an arithmetic sequence? Arithmetic ba siya? Diba? Ang sa ganitong sa arithmetic, mo plus kita og isa ka fixed number diha nga ma-add nato siya. I-add nato isa ka fixed number, i-add nato siya diri, then mo come up ni siya. And then we will add this fixed number na naman to this new term here, and then mo come up mo kini. Okay, so what do you think is being added here nga mo resulta siya og 4? Diba? So, okay. So, dapat, same ra gihapon. So, gihapon natong i-add na, no? So, plus 4, dapat 6. No, nga nung 8 man siya. Therefore, we can conclude nga, dili na dayon siya arithmetic, no? Dili siya arithmetic. Now, let's try to look if musut ba siya sa definition ng geometric sequence. Okay? So, ingon si geometric sequence, naatay fixed number nga gi-multiply sa kada term. And take note, this fixed number, dapat common siya, no? Pareho siya tatanan. So, let's see. Multiply, no? So, unsay atong gi-multiply sa 2 nga mahimo siyang 4? Obviously, that is 2, right? Gi-multiplyan nato ni siyag 2 para mo gawas og 4. So, gi-multiplyan nato siyag 2 para mo gawas siyag 4. So, kani siya, nganong from 4, nganong ang sunod niya 8 man. So, what do you think what do you think is the number that we multiply to 4 nga mo resulta siya 8? Diba? Obviously, 2. No? 4 times 2, 8. And then next, 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, 32. 32 times 2, 64. So, therefore, we always multiply each term ng 2, right? So, makuha nato ang kada next terms by multiplying a fixed number, a common number, and we called it as common ratio, no? Common ratio. Sa kung sa arithmetic sequence, gitawag siya common difference, and we denote it as D, small letter D. Now, in common ratio, we denote this as small letter R. Okay? So, ayan. So, another example. If we have 1, 5, 25, or 25, 6, 25. Is this a geometric sequence? So, what do you think is the fixed number that we multiply to 1 nga mo resulta siya 5? Obviously, 5. Alright? Kaya 1 times 5, 5. Dire, 5 times 5, 25. 25 times 5, 125, right? Ay, sorry. 5. 125 times 5 is 625, right? So, therefore, each term is being multiplied by a fixed number, and that is 5, no? Fixed number nga i-multiply nato. So, therefore, geometric siya. Dili siya arithmetic, no? Geometric sequence siya. Okay, is it clear? Now, sa arithmetic sequence, dali ra, no? Naara kay fixed nga number nga gi-add, gi-plus nimo. There is a geometric sequence na kay fixed number nga gi-multiply nimo, nga gi-times nimo. Sakto? Nakuha ra ang kalahian. Okay? So, ana siya. So, kani siya. Kani. Itong i-copy. So, same ra gihapon, no? Kina ang first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term. And if we will make it as infinite, then we can, no? So, another example, no? Let's copy this. We know that this is geometric sequence 32, 64. If this is infinite geometric sequence, and we are asked to find for the a sub pila man eh a sub first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, a sub 8. Okay, kung atong hanapon ang ika-a sub 8 or ika-8 nga term diri unsaon man nato? So there are only 6 existing terms, no? Sa ato ang infinite geometric sequence. So, and if we are asked to find for the 8th term, unsaon man nato? Simply, so kung kani a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3 ni siya, a sub 4, kani a sub 5, a sub 6, naapatay a sub 7, no? A sub 7, then another a sub 8. So, makuha na dayon nato. So, again, kani siya, unsay atong common ratio diri kani? We multiply it by 2. So, we have a fixed number nga 2, no? I-multiply nato. Ang common ratio nato is 2. So, 64 times 2, pila? 128. 128 times 2, pila? 256, right? So, makita na daw nimo ang ika A sub 8, di ba? So, gimultiply lang nimo ng 2. Ang 64, then ang result sa 64, by multiplying by 2, kani, A sub 7 pa man na siya. So, gimultiply na po natog 2, 256 na sa. No? So, and that is A sub 8 na to. Okay, so 256 di ay atong A sub 8. What if we are asked to find for A sub 50? Magtinamban gihapon ka? Ha? Magtinamban pa ba gihapon ta? So, dili na. So, kung sa arithmetic sequence, the same question, no? Parehong ani gihapon, and we introduce a formula in finding or in solving for the missing term of an arithmetic sequence. Here, in geometric sequence, if we are asked to find for the missing term, then we also have a formula. Okay? So, ang formula. Now, our formula in solving for the the missing term rather, we have term man siya na. A sub n equals A sub 1 times the common ratio raised to the power of n minus 1. So this is our formula. Okay? So take note of our formula. This is the term, the missing term, the first term, the common ratio, the term, no, minus 1. Okay. So let us answer our problem. What if we are asked to find for A sub 50 of this geometric sequence? Okay. Okay, so let us answer now our problem. So this is the sequence, the given sequence, geometric sequence, and we are asked to find for the 50th term or A sub 50. Now, as we have introduced earlier, the formula to solve for the missing term or the A sub 50, we have the formula A sub n equals A sub 1 times the common ratio raised to the power of n minus 1. Okay? So our A sub n is 50, A sub 50, right? So our A sub 1 or the first term is 2 times our R, common ratio sa gani, 2, diba? This is our R, 2. Erase nato siya sa n. Atong n is 50, right? 50 minus 1. So, simplify. We have 2 times. Unahan-anay ninin mo pag-simplify ning sa exponent. 2, copy 2. So, 50 minus 1, that is 49. So, equals 2. So, pila man siya? 2 raised to the power of 49. But pasabot, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 ka 49 ka multiply ni ang 2. So this time we can use calculator. Pwede man na siya. Okay, so you can use calculator to simplify. Ka 49 nimo i-multiply ang 2, no? May calculator, rabi man ni kataas kayo class. So kamo na lang ni, no? So kani simplify ni ninyo. Pag naanay resulta ni multiply ninyo na pud sa 2. Okay? Yeah, then this is the result. Okay? That will serve as your exercise. So what if we have A sub 10, no? A sub 10 missing nato from this geometric sequence. Okay? Saan man nato. So, we have to follow the formula. We have solution. A sub n equals A sub 1 times Rn minus 1. So we have A sub n nato is A sub 10. A sub 10. A sub 1 is 2. Right? 2. Times your R is 2. Raised to the power of our n is 10. No? Our n is 10. Our n is 10. So 10 minus 1. Sir, minus 1 good na siya. Yes, that's the formula. Okay, so 2 times 2, 10 minus 1, 9. We have 2 times, pila man siya? Ka 9 i-multiply. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, carry 1, 11, carry 1, 512. So 512. Kanoy bi i-multiply ang 2, ha? Dili kung 2 times 9, wrong. Dili. Kanoy bi nimo i-multiply ang 2. Okay? So 2 times 512, that is 1024. So ang ika-10 di ay nga term is 1024. Okay? Nasunod ra? Okay. Now, let's talk about series, no? Series of a geometric sequence. Series. So, saan man? Same nagyapon sa arithmetic. Naagyampon tayo kumuingon nga, find the series of the first 5 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, kanira, 5. First 5 imong hang add. Kuhaan ni mong total, no? And that will be the series S sub 5, no? Total ani 5. Pero kung mangutana og S sub A sub 10, kabalo ka nga unom lang ang existing terms diha, unom lang kabuok, so imo pang hanapon ang napulo kumpletuhon do tanan, no? And mara siya kun unsa ni hassle na, no? So, we also have formula for this, just like sa arithmetic sequence. So, take note. Now, we have the formula. So, we have the formula. And take note, this formula is intended only for geometric sequence, ha? Katong the other mga formulas nga nag-introduce nato in the previous videos, those are for arithmetic sequence lang yun pod. Kani, sa geometric sequence. Now, in finding for the missing term of a geometric sequence, we have the formula that is series. Kaya kaniman ang finding for the missing term of the geometric sequence. For the series, we have the formula S sub n equals A sub 1 times 1 minus R raised to the power of n divided by 1 minus R. Okay, so this is the formula. In finding for the series of the first n terms, so kung pila ka buok terms ang ipa-add sa imo. Okay, so just like sa atong problem, we are asked to find for the series of the first 10 terms of this geometric sequence. So we have to follow the formula. So our S sub n is S sub 10 equals, our A sub 1 is 2 times 1 jud sir, yes 1 jud na siya, minus R nato common ratio, R is the common ratio, so may R nato common ratio 2 raised to the power of n. Our n is 10, right? No, 10. Ayan, so 10. Okay, divided by 1 minus, our R is, to 2, common ratio, equals 2. So, unahon nasa nimo ni tanan, ikini-kini siya pag kuan, simplify kaning 2 raised to the power of 10. So, you copy, 1 minus, 2 raised to the power of 10, unsa man to? Unsa man to atong kuan? 10,000 ko ano? 10,024 ini siya. 2 raised to the power of 10. So, kindly check na lang. 1,024. Ang result equals 1 minus 2. So, we have 2 times, 1 minus 1,024. So, negative 1,023. Right? Negative na siya. Pagka-check na lang. Ayan. We have equals 1 minus 2, that is negative 1. Sakto? Equals 2 times negative 1,023. No? 2 times negative 1,023, that is, negative 2,046, right? Times 2. Okay, divided by negative 1. So, 2,046 divided by negative 2,046 divided by negative 1, that is positive 2,046. Sakto? Huh? Let's check na lang, no? So, this is now the series of the first 10 terms, or the sum of the first 10 ka-terms sa ato ang geometric sequence. Okay? Follow ra? So, if we have mga, kumbaga maglibog pa mo, so, balik-balik ka lang ug watch ning video, no? And then, kung dili na ko motubag anong mga pangutanan ninyo, sir, nganong negative divided by negative, positive, nganong na negative man ni siya. So, check na lang na ninyo sa inyo hang integers, no? Operation of integers. Grabe po, naman na sa grade 7, no? So, din ako anak magtakol. Okay? So, if we have clarifications, kung naglibog, utroha lang pagbasa ning, pag-watch ning video, kaya para guided agyapon ka mo. But again, that is geometric sequence. Aho lang mo introduce ani because this is another form of a geometric of a number sequence nga somehow unique subsidia, and this is common nga gina-introduced sa ato when sa math, no, when we talk about number sequence. So again, tapos na tas arithmetic sequence, and this time geometric sequence. Okay, so that would be all. We will discuss more another type of number sequence na pod, form of another form of geometric sequences, number sequences, in the next video. Okay, so God bless.